Welcome to the Learning Academy. Today we are going to teach you how to become a DJ in seconds out. I promise you, when you open this application, you will be extremely fascinated and you will be in total awe when you realize all the beats that you can create. So Groovepad is basically an application that was designed and provided by Google. Now, Google is just strictly innovation. They are innovative and creative and they cater to everybody's needs. So Groovepad is exciting and it's just filled with features. Now simply what you need to do is you go to the library and you explore the various new music that is provided based on the musical genre that you are interested in. Now you can become a virtual DJ through Groovepad. So basically get ready. You have your beats ready, you have your ideas ready. The music is in Groovepad, so let's get the groove on. So people, you want to explore all the music. You may like reggaeton, you may like reggae, you may like hip-hop, you may like just straight electronic music. Whatever your preference is, it is available through Groovepad. So now when you get to the other features where you need to create your music now, all you need to do is to scroll through on side A and side B, press the record button and start tapping the buttons on the screen. There are many options there. There's a choir option, there's an option for beats, there's an option for voices, there's an option for strings, pluck, there's an option for drums, even piano. Everything is there. I want you to go through and explore this app. And yes, you can go on Google Play Store and download it, right? You can download it and use it and let me know what it was like for you. So like, comment, share and subscribe and leave your comments down below.
Put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of Put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of shit, put a little bit of put a little bit of shit, 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 put a little put a little bit of shit, 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 put a It is so hot, I ain't got a fake. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. Make it move, make it groove. It is so hot, I ain't got a fake. bit of shit, put a get a little bit of gasoline. I'm gonna set your place on fire. I'ma make it burn. Put a little bit of shit, get a little bit of gasoline.
I really hope you enjoyed our DJ session with Groovepad. And I know you will be taking on the challenge. And I want you to like, comment, share, and subscribe.